Alright, we're back on the 2016 Can-Am here. Last week I did a HMF exhaust install and a fuel tuner install. We're looking at showing you how that works. I also did a little mod while we're doing that. We're doing a back drag here using an old ATV plow. Seeing how that works. I got a gravel driveway, so it seems to be working. I did made a couple passes, so that works. So I'll show you how that works, and you can come back here and see how we mounted this in. We got a Badlands winch, 2,500 pound winch mounted securely to the back frame with just a lift cable and an ATV plow here, which was basically turned around backwards and welded. And so far it works pretty well. We're just kind of smoothing out the gravel. Might make a few mods to that thing. We'll see what happens here. We'll do a few trial runs here and see how it works. Alright, here's the fuel tuner install we did. We used the Pelican 1010 case. It fit under here quite well. I just velcroed it down and I can still access the case. Sealed it shut, and wiring of these fuel tuners is pretty self-explanatory. I just have it set up on stage 1 right now. It works quite well. It doesn't seem to be running too hot. Not getting a ton of black smoke or anything like that out of it. Starts up, sounds pretty good. Can't probably see it in the sun, but does this nominal flashing in there. We'll start it here for you, and you can hear the sound. So after we do a few test runs with that, we'll see how that goes and how it runs and it functions. I might do a little adjustments. This is an Attitude Industries fuel tuner, and it is a cheaper one, but they all seem to kind of match, and it's got the same programming as far as I can tell. Then done a ton of research on it, but it seems to be running great for this machine, and it is an 850 XT. It's got an Alright, this 850 XT does have XMR kit with the snorkel kit mod on it. I just got a little added extra sand weight up here right now for the steering on this thing, so kind of helps out with that back drag. There's quite a bit of weight hanging out the back. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll let you know later. My mod in the back, Badlands, 2,500 pound winch. It also comes with a remote, which works quite well in this scenario, so I can lift it up and down as I want and fade the dirt, pull the dirt wherever I want, so it works pretty good.